Here's that leaky coolant reservoir or coolant tank we're going to replace today. I don't know if you can see, but on the side there you can see the crack leaking around this epoxy that was used to patch it up, which is actually quite horrible. Here's the new coolant tank we have in here. This box. Chinese paperwork. No, it's not. What the hell it is. Cap. Supposed to be a 1.6 bar cap, which I believe is 15 psi. Bag of screws, mounting hardware, and the nipple for the overflow. Welds look good. Mounting of it. It's the only, I don't know, it's the only concern I may have is how durable the coating is, the black coating on it. I guess time will tell, and we'll see. To go ahead and remove this coolant tank, the first things that we're going to want to do is remove these two spark plug wires on the rear here and this clip, so you have a little bit more room to get the tank out. Then you're just going to need a 10mm socket or wrench. Remove this nut, the pliers to remove these two clamps from this top, and a hose on the bottom. And that installation is just reverse of what we did to remove this. And let's get to work. There's no issues mounting it. The screws on the back that were in the mounting package, they actually don't hold anything in. You just screw them in and they work as tabs, or the old tabs were on the old reservoir. But everything looks good. Got it filled up, and we'll get this thing heated up and see how it works. Here's the old original tank, and you can see just how discolored and hardened this plastic is, and everywhere it was leaking. This thing is horrible. But I do believe this was the original and probably has never been changed out, so good luck to the new Chinese one. Just got done taking this on a nice long hot drive, getting this thing heated up, and it's a little toasty. So far so good, no leaks, cap is doing well. And everything looks good with our cheap coolant tank. And we will see in a few months how this thing is holding up.